Good morning. Today I'm going to let you know where the top performing neighborhoods were in Guelph for the month of February 2020. So let's take a look at which neighborhoods topped the list. For largest median sales price gains in February 2020 relative to the same time period last year, the number one neighborhood was Kortright East with an astounding 126.8% increase relative to last year. Number two was Victoria North with a 76.4% increase, and number three was Downtown with a 65% increase. With respect to the fastest selling neighborhoods, Clairfields topped the list at 6 days. Number two was General Hospital at 7 days, and tied for second place was St. Patrick's Ward at 7 days as well. Now, if you didn't see your neighborhood on the list, I've attached the full neighborhood market report below. It's amazing that in Guelph, in the month of February 2020, 13 out of the 18 neighborhoods saw a year-over-year price increase, and right now in the city of Guelph, the median days on market is 11 days. So if you're thinking about selling, now's a great time. Please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks a lot and have a great day.